In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your private saved personal addresses layout list in Chrome and remove an address entry you no longer want to keep. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to the section where your saved personal addresses are stored. This is the private list that contains address entries you've previously saved for convenience. Take a moment to let the page fully load so everything appears correctly on screen. This is important because if the list is still loading, you may not immediately see all of the available options. Once you're on the saved addresses layout list, look carefully through the entries until you find the specific address item you want to remove. Make sure you identify the correct line before making any changes, especially if you have several similar entries saved. Moving slowly here can help prevent accidentally deleting the wrong item. Next, place your mouse cursor directly over the address target line item. Simply hover over that specific entry without clicking right away. In many cases, additional controls only become visible when your cursor is positioned over the item. If you don't see the delete control at first, keep your cursor steady over the line and check the right-hand side of that row. When the small X delete option appears, click it. This X is the associated delete button for that address entry, and selecting it will remove the item from your saved list. Be precise with your click so that you only delete the intended address. If the interface responds immediately, that usually means the item has been marked for removal right away. After that, refresh your dashboard. This final step helps confirm that the address has been permanently cleared from the list. Once the page reloads, review the saved addresses section again and verify that the deleted entry no longer appears. Refreshing is a simple but useful way to make sure the change has fully applied and that you're viewing the most up-to-date version of your dashboard. If the item still appears after refreshing, wait a moment and refresh once more, since some dashboards can take a few seconds to update. Also, be sure you deleted the correct line item and not a duplicate or similar looking entry. And that's it. You've successfully accessed your private saved personal addresses list in Chrome, hovered over the address you wanted to manage, used the small X delete option, and refreshed the dashboard to confirm the item is gone.